Hey guys, Christy Beauty here. Welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. I know we are like 14 days into the new year, but this is my first video for 2020. So Happy New Year. Hope everyone's new year is going really well. I'm like so brain fart right now. I haven't done a video in so long. Makeup look. Today's makeup look is like a cherry red type of look. I did use only one palette, the Main Squeeze ColourPop palette for this look. So if you guys want to see how I did all of this, then please keep on watching. I promise I will get comfortable again with this intro outro and I won't be stumbling over my words. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, I already did one eye off camera. So the other eye I'm obviously going to do now. Okay, I'm going to go in with Home Slice. From the Main Squeeze ColourPop palette, we are going to go in with a Morphe M456 and I'm going to go into it with my crease and outer crease and kind of blending that all together, taking it towards the center of my eye. Kind of packing it on first. I'm going to pat and pack it on and then start to blend it out. Now using a Morphe M433, I'm going to go in with Frose and then use that to blend out the red that we just put in. So we're putting that above our crease and blending that all together. Okay, so now using my middle finger, I'm going to pick up Maraschino and then go over that with Juicy Fruit. Alright guys, I did my lashes off camera. Now I'm going to go with my foundation using Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation in Y252. Here I'm just packing on a bit of setting powder to kind of set the foundation I set, and I'm probably going to go over because this foundation is a light to medium coverage, so I do want a little bit more coverage around my T-zone. Actually, around my under eye, really, in my cheeks. Now I'm going to go in with my ColourPop concealer and set that with my RCMA No color powder. sides, I'm going to go in with, I was going to go with my blush, and then I remember that I normally do my contour first, actually. So I'm going to use my NYX contour palette. And let's see if I can show you in these two shades. I'm mixing those two together. Starting from right where my hairline is, and then just blending that. I hope everybody's new year is really good. Starting off good. I don't even know what day it is. Let's find out. My husband's calling me. I'll just call him back. It's so funny because my husband always says, there's a piece of lint right in front of me. My husband always says that his mom has like the worst time when she calls him. So he gets all flustered because he's always doing something, or we're doing something. But I feel like he's the exact same way. Anyway, I feel like I don't have enough blush, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. I was always told that blush is always the first thing to go with makeup. So never be afraid to add a little bit more. Unless you're already naturally flushed, then you don't have to, because you kind of have natural blush. You just have to have like a light layer. So for my highlight, I'm gonna go in with Starburst. It's like a pinky. So I know I promised, I think it was my last video or second to last video, that I was like, oh, I'm not gonna go away for so long again, and I did. A lot has happened, and then I just got busy with things and never got around to recording, and then when I was going to, something else came up, and it was one thing right after another, and just life. I went through towards the end of the year, a lot with losing losing my baby, Zoe. She was a cute little, not really little, but pit bull, to somehow getting a new dog in the family. Supposed to be my mom's dog, but it happened to just get attached to myself and my husband. His name's Maverick. He's a pure Labrador. I'm trying to find a lipstick and a lip gloss right now. I'm so sorry. Maybe this one. I don't really like that. I think I'm just gonna go with like a gloss. Which I need my other bag for, so I'll be right back. So went through that. So I had a transition with that, and then just the holidays just became enjoying things with family and, you know, things with my husband, and that's what it really became about. So I enjoyed it. And yeah, that's basically it. But I'm not one to say I like, oh, my New Year's resolution is this, because I'm not a fan of New Year's resolutions. I feel like they're not kept. And yeah, I don't know, just the word New Year's resolution, sorry. I always have to put chapstick on before I put lipstick. Just a thing for me because I always feel like my lips are dry. But yeah, not a fan of New Year's resolution, but I am a fan of goals. So this year I decided one of my goals was to be more productive with the filming and a little bit more creative, having a little bit more of my family on just so everybody kind of gets to know me as well as, you know, what comes with me, which is my family. I'm still trying to get my husband to do a video with me. See how that goes. And yeah, so that is my goal for this, is to be more productive with it, like more videos and stuff. And my goal is to have family on here, friends on here as well. Maybe shy a little bit away from, like, every now and then do a video without makeup, possibly, maybe, haven't decided, don't know yet. And yeah, so that is my goal for the year. We'll see. Well, for longer than the year, but you know, since this is the new year. Oh, lipstick. So for my lipstick, I'm using the KoKo collection in, what am I using? Khlo Money. Okay, I am gonna put a gloss on top of this. So ColourPop's Ultra Glossies in Attention Haul. Guys, that is the final look. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and like I said, my goal is to be more, you know, I keep saying productive, but there's another word I want to use, but either way, I want to be more with videos, I guess, making more of them and making it a routine of mine, and I'm pretty sure I can do it, so high hopes. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not. And also don't forget to hit the bell button so you guys get notified anytime I post something new. I think that's it. I haven't made one of these in a while, so I totally forgot how to outro. But I'll see you guys in my next video.